Hey guys, welcome to this another video at Westsidefarm. I just want to say thank you guys for the continuous support, the comments, the questions, the feedbacks and all the encouragement. Much appreciated. Keep sharing the news and keep following as we continue our journey at Westsidefarm. I'm just here today to give you guys an update on Betsy, our C-section goat, was successfully one ram kid from the AI ram. So we have a AI offspring. This is Westsidefarm, the original goat. So I'm here to give you guys an update on our famous Betsy, the C-section goat, who has successfully had a kid, one ram kid from the AI ram. So we have a AI offspring, his first kid, and this is Betsy and her kid. Yes, as you can see, we got a lovely February baby from Betsy. Yes, this is Betsy and the AI kid, AI ram production. You can see he's a lovely boy. Betsy did great. So we can say she had a successful C-section, successful birth without no help or assistance. So she earned her keeps in there, no need to color her. As you can see, both of them are active and very bold and lovely boy. Yes. So give thanks to the Almighty, all things went well. And Betsy is a great mom now. This is Betsy and you can show father. It's a thunder. Bush life. Okay, so remember guys, this is Westsidefarm and you can see we are continuing to maintain the standard or improve the standard, I should say. In spite of all the challenges, the ups and downs, we are still pressing forward. So remember, stay tuned. This is Westsidefarm, the original goat. Big up.